Welcome to Dr. Alia's podcast on the preparation of commonly used compounded formulas. The preparation of a 5% Fluorouracil ointment for the treatment of solar keratosis and warts is described. Medical prescription. 5% Fluorouracil, sufficient quantity of soft paraffin to make 100 grams. Vigorously grind the Fluorouracil in a mortar until a practically light powder is achieved. Next, add 5% of liquid paraffin, stirring until a homogeneous paste is formed. Then add the soft paraffin in small portions, stirring until homogeneous after each addition. If we find that the soft paraffin is a bit hard or has a high consistency due to the low winter temperatures, we can heat it to about 30 degrees to facilitate stirring in the mortar. A white homogeneous ointment of medium-high consistency is obtained, which should be packaged in a jar with a double lid, an enameled aluminum tube, or a specific container, for example an unguator or topitec. The estimated shelf life for this formulation is 3 months. Galenic problems and considerations that may arise during preparation. If the Fluorouracil is not properly ground, or even if the liquid paraffin is not added as a dispersant, lumps may form in the ointment. The formation of lumps leads to a clear dosing error when the ointment is administered by the patient.